In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print emails from iCloud Mail. We'll use the official, most direct method on the web so you can follow along on any computer with a modern browser. This approach works the same whether you typically use an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, because everything happens on iCloud.com. I'll also show you how to save an email as a PDF instead of printing on paper, which is handy for archiving or sharing digitally. Start by opening your web browser and going to iCloud.com/mail. If you're not already signed in, enter your Apple ID and complete any verification prompts. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox and the familiar iCloud Mail layout. Take a moment to navigate to the message you want to print. Click to open that email so it appears fully in the reading pane. If the email includes images or a long thread, give it a second to load everything so the printout captures the content the way you expect. With the email open, look for the More button, which appears as 3 dots. It's typically at the top of the message. Click that, then choose Print. Your browser's print dialog will open. Here, confirm the correct printer is selected. If you have multiple printers on your network, choose the one you plan to use. You can also review standard print options provided by your browser or operating system, such as color versus black and white, orientation, and the number of copies. When everything looks right, click Print. Your email will be sent to the printer and should begin printing shortly. If you don't need a paper copy, you can turn the same email into a PDF from that print dialog. Instead of selecting a physical printer, change the destination to Save as PDF. This tells your computer to generate a PDF file that looks just like the printed page. Click to save, choose a clear file name, and pick a location you'll remember, such as your desktop or a folder in iCloud Drive. From there, you can share the PDF by attaching it to an email, uploading it to a shared folder, or storing it for your records. This is especially useful for receipts, confirmations, or anything you might need to reference later without keeping the original email in your inbox. That's all there is to it. Open iCloud Mail on the web, select your message, use the More menu to print, and either send it to a printer or save it as a PDF for easy sharing and archiving.